Hello, it's Marquise from agentmarquise.com.
Your kitchen area tends to be the most important room when selling your house. Make sure to get rid of all the clutter and personal items. Clean any dirty dish and make sure to wipe down the countertops and fixtures. Also, try not to cook any food that may leave an odor in your house while it's on the market. You want the kitchen to be in pristine condition with no smells to turn off potential buyers. For more staging tips on how to sell your house for more money in less time, contact me. For more information, please call at 803-288-7983 or email me at marquise@kw.com.